There's a beautiful secret hidden in three simple words. A secret that unlocks thousands of English sentences. Namaste, my dear learners. Welcome to Ujual Bavishya, your gateway to greatness. I am Gyani, your humble foundation builder guide. A great champion, Bobby Unser, said, "Success is where preparation and opportunity meet." Today, our preparation begins. We lay the cornerstone of your confidence. But before we build, we must ask, what is the first stone we must lay? That stone is the verb. A verb is the heartbeat of every English sentence. In English, there are two great families of verbs. The first family are the action verbs. They show doing, like run, eat, and study. The second family are the be verbs. They do not show doing. They show a state of being, who you are, what you are. And so our journey must begin here with the foundation of being. The foundation of your identity in English rests on three magic be verbs: am, is, and are. It is not random. It is a system of perfect partners. First, I is always partners with am. I am a student. Second, the singular group, he, she, and it, are always partners with is. He is the manager, she is smart. And third, the plural group, you, we, and they, are always partners with are. We are a team. And this beautiful system works everywhere. In a serious office meeting, she is from the HR team. And with your friends at college, he is my classmate. The logic is the same. When you understand this principle deeply, you possess more than just a rule. You hold the power to describe your entire world with precision. This knowledge sets you apart. Let me share some gentle guidance. Trust in this beautiful pattern. The partners never change. When you keep this system in your heart, confusion simply dissolves. The systematic foundation is now yours. For continued guidance, subscribe to Ujjual Bavishya, where wisdom meets.
Style. And that's where I come in. The old man gave you the foundation. Now let's learn the hacks that actually work. Coming up next.